Hazrat Abu Wail states, when Sahal bin Hunayf returned from the Siffin expedition, we went to him to know the cause of their return and the current affairs. He said, one should not be proud of one's viewpoint, for I saw myself on the day of the Hudaybiyah Accord. In case of Abu Jandal, if I could disobey the command of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I would have done so, but Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best. So before it, whenever we put our swords on our shoulders for any hard ordeal, it became easy and it resulted into what we could consider more suitable. But now we curb strife from one side, but it surges out from the other side. So we don't know how to solve this riddle. The matter grew so worse that even the intellectuals failed to solve them. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4189.